So today's video is a comparison review video between the Dyson Airwrap Complete as well as an Amazon alternative. I do have separate video reviews for both of these products as well if you are interested. But for starters, we have the Dyson Airwrap Complete. This one retails for $550, and the Amazon alternative that we have is one that retails for $35. There are quite a few products like this on Amazon if you just search one-step Haristyler and dryer, and they range from around $20 to $40, and they all pretty much look quite similar to this one. So I actually dried half of my hair using the Amazon alternative and half of my hair using the Dyson product. So I would say that this Amazon alternative product is a pretty good dupe for the Dyson if you only want it to do one thing, which is dry and volumize your hair. Obviously the Dyson Airwrap can also curl your hair as well, so if you're looking for that option, I don't believe that this one-step Haristyler and dryer combo can do that for you. The biggest difference right off the bat between both of these products, aside from the hefty price tag, is the shape of the barrel. So for the Amazon alternative, this one has like an oval shape and they have bristles surrounding the entire brush. So it's quite easy when you run the brush through your hair. You can just keep rotating the brush and it will continually dry it until you're ready to release it and do the end curl. Whereas for this Dyson paddle brush attachment, they just have bristles on the front. The back is a whole plastic piece, so it does take a little bit longer when using this. Another thing to note right off the bat is the size. This one is significantly heavier and more bulky. This one is more sleek, but at the same time, I feel like the Amazon alternative tool will dry your hair faster because the heat is stronger and the brush obviously is bigger. The Amazon alternative brush has 3 heat settings, low, middle, and high, whereas the Dyson also has 3 heat settings, and they also have 3 airflow settings as well as a cool shot button. So now I currently have half of my hair dried. I did curve everything towards me, and it is quite easy because this oblong shape allows you to have a lot of lift and volume. So these are the Dyson attachments that I'm going to use for this comparison review. As you can see, the first one is like a paddle brush, once again in an oval shape, and the other one is just a round brush for volume. So now the Dyson also has 3 airflow settings as well as 3 heat settings and a cool shot button right here. So now this is what my hair looks like when it's fully dried using both of those options, and to be honest, I can't really tell a difference. I did notice that the Amazon alternative did seem to have a higher heat level, which can be a little bit more damaging to your hair, but at the same time, it does seem to dry your hair faster. I do like the shape of the barrel on the Amazon alternative because I felt like it grabbed bigger chunks of my hair at the same time, so I had to run it through my hair less times. I did like that the Amazon alternative brush did have bristles surrounding the entire brush, so basically you could just run the brush through your hair and just keep twisting and twisting as it continually dries. So to me, I felt that was pretty easy to use. The Dyson product, obviously it just has the comb on one side, so I felt like I was drying less of my hair at a time because, as you can see, only the top part of the hair would receive the heat. The back is just an entire plastic piece. So anyways, that should do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you're interested in more content like this, and let me know down below if you think the Dyson is worth it, or would you just personally go with the Amazon alternative. I think both products are great, and obviously they both have their pros and cons, as I mentioned before. And to be honest, I did buy the Amazon alternative product about a year before the Dyson. Obviously I had known about the Dyson, but I didn't want to spend that much, so that's how I discovered this Amazon alternative. But anyways, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.